Hello my darlings, welcome to the channel Dat Crafty Gamer. My gaming community calls me Dat. You're welcome to call me Heather. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I truly appreciate that. I hope you find something on the channel that you enjoy and will consider subscribing. And as it says in the title, Dat Crafty Gamer, I do enjoy gaming and I do enjoy crafting. So by all means, if you're not into games, I definitely don't expect you to watch the games. If you don't want to, I do live stream those usually. So I mean, it's a good time to talk to me and get to know me. So, and I might live stream a crafting project at some point once I get more of a following for the crafts. If I don't have a following, I don't know if I want to live stream me making a craft. So but anyway, today's video we will be I will show you how I convert a plain picture frame, this here, okay, this frame, the glare on the thing there, into this frame. And this actually turned out so nice. I was very pleased with how this project turned out. So I'm hoping you will stick around to see me complete this project. We'll do a close-up there for you. Always hard to line it up because the camera is like above the desk there. But yes, if you would like to see how I convert a plain picture frame into this picture frame, please consider watching the whole video and commenting below if you aren't new to crafting. I'm not new to crafting, but I am new to crafting videos, and my craft used to was primarily crocheting. But I got into this because of a project I recently did for someone. So now we are focusing on picture frames, and I will probably be doing DIY home projects as well in the near future. But right now I have like a dozen of these frames that I have to make for the holidays. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I hope you stick around. I hope you enjoy the video. Consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video if you do like it. And I will see you during the project process. Bye. Okay, for this project I have my pattern that I drew out, and it includes the 3D stickers that I will be putting on the frame. And all these items were bought from Michaels. I have my paint tray. I have two colors of paint. I have the Island Blue and I have the light pink, and these are also Craft Smart. And I have my paintbrush that I also got from Michaels, and that is Craft Smart as well. And I have my, I actually got this scrap yarn that I'll be using on the frame as well. And then my 4x6 picture frame. Okay, so for the first part of this project, I did place graph paper under there and took the glass out because I will be painting this frame. And this frame is being made for a teenage girl, and her colors that she chose were like pink, blue, and yellow. So the pink I'm using, I will actually be using in another frame as well. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to paint the top of the frame and then the outer edges of the frame. I don't think I'll paint the inside of the frame at all, because that's going to be where I put the yellow ribbon that you see there. And the yellow ribbon will also be used on each corner of the frame as well. And I'm not going to be painting the back at all. I don't think it's necessary. Now if I end up making these for other people and earning money from it, I will customize them the way people want them. But I mean, you don't really see the back of the frame, so I wasn't too concerned about that. Now, the colors I chose for this specific project, I actually bought the 3D stickers first. So the colors that I picked, I tried to use the colors that she wanted, because she did say she likes baby pink. And this looks, I don't know, it looks pretty baby pink to me. So I used the light pink and the Island Blue, because those colors actually looked really great with the 3D stickers that I got for the project. And I actually think it turned out really well. I actually put 3 coats of paint on there. So, I mean, I don't know. It helps it so the wood grain doesn't show through. So I did one coat on camera for you guys, and then the second coat I did second and third coat. I just paused the video for that because I figured y'all didn't see that. Now, the other things that this girl listed that she likes, you know, to help me customize her frame for her, she said she likes the Lion King, she likes volleyball, and the beach. And I thought, you know what, the volleyball and beach, that would go together well. That allowed me to use both of those items in this project, as you will see as we continue to finish up here. And I have to say, I actually like painting the pictures better than I like using the felt. The felt gives it a different feel though. That's why the other picture frames, the other three that I did on the video, were made from felt. And I mean, they look great too, but I think customizing the picture frames with maybe a lighter fabric or painting, and even I bought some scrapbooking paper that I'm going to be using in some of the other frames. And I actually bought some holiday ribbon as well, because there were people that said, you know, for me to just surprise them, because they didn't really have any ideas as to what colors they would want or what patterns, or they didn't really collect anything. So they said just surprise me. So we'll be giving 3 people, at least 3 people are going to just get holiday frames. So I've got to work on getting those done prior to Christmas, I guess. Well, they are Christmas gifts, so, but they will get holiday frames because they didn't really have anything specific that they said they would be interested in. So as you can see here, I am finishing up the painting part of this, and it's looking pretty good. Okay, so in this part of the video, I've cut out like 4 strips of ribbon to put around my corners. And I don't know, as you may have noticed watching the other videos, I do tend to like to frame out the corners. I just like giving them more definition. Now, will I do that with every frame? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Now, as I put this on here, you know, I was thinking about, I'm glad I didn't change the color scheme. I was going to change it up, maybe how I painted the frame, how I did the, you know, what I did with the ribbon placement, but in the end of the video, as you all will see, it actually turns out really nice. So I'm actually glad that I didn't change my, you know, sketch at all. And I'm hoping the young lady I'm making this for does like it. What do y'all think of it so far? Looks pretty good, yeah? Okay, so in this part of the video, I'm basically just going to line the inside of the frame there with the same ribbon that I used on the corners. And basically what that will do is it will finish up those corners, so you know you don't see like unfinished I keep saying yarn, unfinished ribbon there. So I actually like how it turned out. I kind of questioned whether I wanted to use the ribbon, but I'm glad that I did in the end. It looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, guys, this frame is just looking so adorable. I am so pleased with how it turned out. So we are at the end of the project. We are just going to add our embellishments to it, which are the 3D stickers. I did end up having to buy 2 packs of the beach 3D stickers so that I could have the other tree. I just couldn't imagine me putting just one tree on there. I mean, maybe it would have looked fine like that, but I don't know. I guess I kind of like things somewhat symmetrical. So I had to buy another pack just to get another tree, because they didn't have just that specific tree by itself. And the 3D stickers are like $4.99 a pack. And I think the beach stickers had 14 pieces in it, and the volleyball stickers had like 13. And I didn't even use half of the stickers from either pack. So I mean, it's a lot of money to spend on it not to use the other items. So I'm hoping I will have other frames that I can make that will use the stickers that I didn't finish using. And the stickers we have here, we have flip-flops. I have a little sign on there that says Coastal Life. We have the sunglasses, the 2 trees. That's a little turtle that I just put on there. And then we have the volleyball net with the volleyball. and then the word spike. Now I wanted to use the whistle that came with the volleyball pack, but I didn't know how to place it on the frame, so I didn't end up using that, but maybe in another project I can do that. But anyway, what do y'all think of the project? Looks great, right? Beautiful. Okay, my darlings, that concludes this project. I hope you all enjoyed it. We're going to do it this way because it's just so much easier to see in this camera. So I hope you did enjoy the project. I hope you were able to stay until the end. And if you did stay to the end and you loved it, you liked it, had any interest in it at all, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video if you think someone else would be interested in watching this. But yes, I hope you all loved the project. I was so pleased with how it turned out. The cow frame was probably my favorite at first, but I don't know. This one might be my favorite now. And I actually do like painting. The painting doesn't take as long as using the felt products that I did with the other 3 picture frames. So yeah, thanks for being here and have a great day. Bye.